I was gifted this fence post repair kit and we used it to fix my crooked mailbox. This is the original mailbox that my husband had when he bought this house, and it was in really rough shape. I knew this fence post repair anchor kit would do wonders. It was so easy to use, and I'll have my husband demonstrate exactly how to do it. As you could see in the first clip, he used a level and made sure that it was level. Once he had it nice and level, he used the 2 anchors and put them exactly where they needed to be to hold it upright. The next step is to make sure that you secure them really tightly into the ground. My husband used a hammer for this step, but quickly realized he probably could have just used his shoe and stepped on it. Once it's super secure in the ground, it's time to get your drill out. My husband then used his drill and made some pilot holes where each screw was going to go. Once he did that with every hole, he used this fancy bit that came with the kit, which I should add is magnetic, which is pretty cool, and secured both of the anchors into the mailbox post. This entire process from start to finish took my husband about 15 minutes. It also saved us from having to buy a new mailbox, which is a win. My mailbox is so sturdy now, and I know that the wind won't be blowing it down anytime soon. This product worked wonders, and I highly recommend it.